Jamaican food goes where Jamaicans go. No matter where Jamaicans go, they take the food with them. And even more, they expose their new community to the food. Once that is done, the rest is history. Calgary has seen many Jamaican food stores develop over time, and even mainstream big box stores like Walmart, Superstore, carrying many major brands and staples. If ever you are in Calgary, there are many options, and you should take some time to check out a few of them. Let's start with Lloyds Patty Plus. Lloyds is the king of Jamaican patties in Calgary. Made fresh in their location daily, you can get your beef, chicken, veggie patties straight from the oven. Lloyds has been doing this for over 30 years in Calgary and enjoys more than anything the fact that his product is staple for Jamaicans and Canadians alike.
Some of them travel to Jamaica, some intend to travel because there's a lot of Canadians that go to the island and get married and blah blah blah. And most of the time I do cater for them before they go and when they come back. So they know about the food before they go. And when they come, they love the food when they go. And when they come back, they want to introduce their friends to it. So I have to cater for food for them.
Crazy Jerk is another Jamaican restaurant serving Calgary. Known for their signature fritters and Barbie fried chicken, they have etched their mark in the city. A family-run brand since 2014, Crazy Jerk keeps people coming back for more. Covering the northeast quadrant of the city, Crazy Jerk knows that there is a strong desire for Jamaican food and ensures that they have a variety that meets the needs of their clients.
The Jamaican people, they really just like that feeling. It brings them back home as to what their parents used to do, as far as this is grandma's cooking, right? You know, and Auntie Beta and all that stuff. So they really get that same Jamaican vibe, right? And the same homeliness. Like we treat the restaurant and all of our customers just like you're back home. You go into somebody's yard and they say, come sit down and have some food, right? It's just a full blessing that way.
While you may want to dine out or grab some Jamaican food on the go, there are those who want to prepare their own Jamaican meals and sometimes grab a favorite. Bellyful. Bellyful is another source of Jamaican food in Calgary. Provides the real stuff. The ingredients to make soup on Saturdays and curry goat, oxtail, rice and peas on Sundays, as per Jamaican tradition. Not to mention the sweet stuff like drops, gizzada, tamarind ball. Everyone has their favorites, even Canadians who have gotten hooked on Jamaican cuisine. June Edwards, owner of Bellyful, knows too well what her patrons want and has it ready at all times.
Well, I get banana, I get the yam, I get the sweet potato, I get the June plum, I get callaloo, I get all the nice things, all the goodies, the cheese, everything.
Next time you are in Calgary or even on your first visit, know that Jamaican food is here. There is Lloyds, there's Crazy Jerk, and Bellyful, and lots more places with the real food that Jamaicans and Canadians know